Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to pay in 4 with PayPal 2025. This tutorial will walk you through the step-by-step process of using Pay in 4, a convenient and flexible payment option offered by PayPal. First, you need to have a PayPal account to use Pay in 4. If you don't have one, sign up for a PayPal account and verify your email address and phone number. Once your account is set up, you can start using Pay in 4. To use Pay in 4, simply select PayPal as your payment method at checkout. You will then be redirected to the PayPal website where you can log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will see the Pay in 4 option. Select this option and review the payment terms and conditions. Pay in 4 allows you to split your purchase into 4 equal payments, due every 2 weeks. You will pay the first payment at the time of purchase, and the remaining 3 payments will be automatically deducted from your account every 2 weeks. There are no interest charges or fees, as long as you make your payments on time. For example, if you make a purchase of $100, you will pay $25 at the time of purchase, and $25 every 2 weeks for the next 6 weeks. This way, you can budget your payments and avoid overspending. To set up Pay in 4, you need to link a debit or credit card to your PayPal account. This card will be used to make the payments. Make sure you have sufficient funds in your account to avoid declined payments. It is also important to note that Pay in 4 is subject to PayPal's terms and conditions. You should review these terms carefully before using Pay in 4. Additionally, not all merchants accept Pay in 4, so you should check with the merchant before making a purchase. In conclusion, using Pay in 4 with PayPal is a convenient and flexible way to make purchases. By following these steps, you can take advantage of this payment option and budget your payments. Remember to review the payment terms and conditions carefully and make sure you have sufficient funds in your account to avoid declined payments.